Do you lack confidence? Are you facing problem while speaking English? Are you facing problem while cracking the interviews? So don't worry guys, I am here to help you. Hi, my name is Amir. I am an alumni of Ashutosh English Crash Course, or I can say it AECC. AECC not only helped me to speak English fluently but also helped me to boost my confidence, which helped me to build my career. Now I will tell you about this course. The first week you will learn the fundamental of spoken English. The second week you will learn basic grammar, and the third week you will learn group discussion, and the fourth and the final week you will learn lecturing, which help you to become a very professional. I must say guys, the biggest investment is the one which you do in yourself. If you want to achieve big in your life, if you want to make your career growth, if you want to be a successful person, then my friend, you are at right place. Please do join this course. The link is in description. Please join as soon as possible. Take care, bye bye, and thank you all.